Good morning, good afternoon, and or good night. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Welcome to Fran Plans. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button just to show your support. I'm really happy about this video today. I am going to be showing you guys what is in my, I forgot what this was called, but it was like the Happy Planner 2019 New Year launch they did, where it came with like all these goodies. And so I just received my box on Saturday. This is December 31st. So I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside of this box. So if you're interested, go ahead and stick around. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this box, guys. I am going to go ahead and unbox everything, and then I will come back so I won't be making like a bunch of noise. So let me do that. So this is everything that comes in this box. It is really loaded. It comes with this. This is my year pen. These are really popular now, so this is super cute. I love it. And it's like a pink and rose gold. I don't know if that's showing up, so that's what that is. And this white box, this is the mug. Let's see if I can open it right quick. I should have went ahead and did that, but it says Rise and Shine. Really pretty mug too, really heavy. And then in the bottom of that little box is this blue and kind of rose gold sparkly washi tape. Okay. So that's what's in there. Then you get this hat. It says Plan a Happy Life. Alright, so then you got this cute pouch. It says the Happy Planner on it, and it says Plan a Happy Life. You can use this for your pens or makeup or whatever you choose to. I'll probably put my pens in here. Switch out my pen holder. And then you have this Hello 2019, Your Year to Shine. I did not open this off camera, so you guys and I will be seeing this for the first time together. Oh, it is a calendar like for your desk. So it sits up, has the pop-up, and then it's like every month. Really pretty. I think this was like $44.99 or $49.99, and it was like a coupon code that was available to use. This is my year. This is really pretty if you have those half sheets, and I really like the disc here. Okay, so this is really pretty. Oh my god, I love this. I've never purchased any of the half sheets, so I will definitely be using this. I'll probably use this with my budget planner for like those weekly, bi-week paychecks and so forth. So that's that. We have a whole sticker book. It's 20 sticker sheets, 445 pieces. It says it's your year to shine, and it just comes with all of these gorgeous watercolor, really pretty stickers. And then over here kind of has like a dashboard layout with post-its. That's really nice. Really pretty. I think this box sold out. Then this is the page here where it shows you everything that was included in the box. Okay. And then this is some sticker sheets. Looks like it's all letters and numbers. These are some pocket folders here, or just one. It's really pretty, but it's double-sided. Okay, so it's Hello Possibilities. Then you have some filler paper for goals, long-term, weekly goals, daily goals. This is really pretty. And then you have the covers for your planner. It says Hello 2019, Your Year to Shine. So that is that. So all of this was included in the box. Like I said, I think it was $44.99 or $49.99, but there was a coupon code to be used, and I'm so happy I got me one. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.